5 effective ways to lose weight at home. Are you inferior to the waist 2 size? Must do here? You dislike the oversized body or excess skin areas on your body? See the 5 effective ways to lose weight at home below. 1. High-intensity exercise. Increasing the intensity of training, the chance of maximizing the effectiveness will increase. Increasing practice time, number of exercises, increasing difficulty, noting too much, pushing the body too much because it causes harmful to your health as well as your physique. 2. Nutrition. Plus nutrition menu, a diet high in protein, green vegetables. Plus minimize starch, sugar, grease, preferably the method of steaming, boiling to limit marinated spices and grease during processing. Plus especially, limit the consumption of processed or fast food outside. Plus do not skip breakfast, because this is one of the very important meals to the body. 3. Have a healthy lifestyle. Plus changing and practicing a healthy and scientific lifestyle will help improve weight significantly. Plus limit staying up late, try to sleep 7-8 hours a day, avoid stress so keep the spirit of being positive. 4. Meditate. Plus before breakfast, you should meditate in mind for 10 minutes, focusing on thinking for the breath, breathing deeply. Plus the sitting meditation will help the body relax, limit the desires of food. This is in the way many coaches and bodybuilders apply to reduce abdominal fat. 5. Drink enough water. Drinking water regularly eliminates toxins and enhances your metabolism, eliminates waste products, and enhances your body's activities, causing you to reduce cravings. In addition, drinking a lot of water will help your skin more healthy and bright every day.